बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। डियर फेलोज़, आज मैं आपको वन सैम्पल टी टेस्ट के बारे में बताने लगा हूँ कि हम वन सैम्पल टी टेस्ट SPSS में हम कैसे अप्लाई करेंगे और हम अप्लाई क्यों करते हैं, तो उसको उसके जो रिज़ल्ट्स आते हैं, आउटपुट आते हैं, उसको इंटरप्रेट कैसे करेंगे। तो आज मैं आपको थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन को करवा देता हूँ। तो ये मेरे पास है वन सैम्पल टी टेस्ट। So a one sample t-test allows us to test whether a sample mean of a normally distributed interval variable significantly differs from a hypothesized value. For example, we have a data named HSB2 data file. Say we wish to test whether the average writing score differs significantly from 50. We can do this as shown below. Now, if we have this data file, we try to test. We have to go to analyze, compare means and one sample. Now we want to test the mean score of writing score test, writing skill. Just we simply select it and click OK. We have two tables, one sample statistics and one sample test. Now we have to interpret these two tables. Now come to the slide. The mean of the variable writing score for this sample of student is 52.775, which is statistically significant different from the test value of 50. We would conclude that this group of students has a significantly higher mean on the writing score than the 50. Now come to the table. This is the mean table. We got mean of this writing score is 52.775. Our hypothesized value was 50. As this value is greater than our hypothesized value and the t-test is 0.00, which is considered as less than 0.05, it means our hypothesized value is 50 and now the results are 52.775. It means we interpret that our mean is significantly higher, as p-value is 0.05, less than 0.05, so our mean is significantly higher than our hypothesized value. So this is a simple one sample t-test. We just test the difference of mean from our hypothesized mean. This is very simple. How to perform? Let's go to data file. We have to go to analyze, compare means and one sample t-test. So we have to select, I have this already selected, we have to select this variable and click just OK, and we shall get these tables. So this is mean of 200 samples, and this is a p-value of 200 samples. So this shows that our results are significantly, the mean is significantly higher than the hypothesized value. So this was all about one sample t-test.